how to view your transaction history on Barclaycard app. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can view your transaction history on Barclaycard app. So for that you have to follow the steps. First of all, you know the drill. You'll have to go and log in into your Barclaycard account. When you're logged in, you can go and look for a section of the app that is dedicated to your account activity or transaction. These section might be labeled as transactions, account activity, recent transaction, or something similar. Tap on this section to access your transaction history. And in the transaction section, you should see a list of your recent transaction. Depending on the app's interface, you may be able to scroll to the list of view order, transaction, or filter transaction by date, type, or other criteria as well. Now tap on a transaction to view its detail, including the date, merchant name, transaction amount, and any additional information available. And some app offer a search function that allows you to search for specific transaction by keyword, merchant name, or transaction amount. If you're looking for a particular transaction, you can use this feature to locate more quickly, and depending on the feature of the app, you may have the option to export or download your transaction history for record keeping purpose. So that's how you can view your transaction history on Barclaycard app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.